that you have a strong devotion to the shroud in Turin, which is very much important for Christianity. Can you comment on why and how it happens that you have this devotion?
Because we believe that the impression on the shroud is the proof that Jesus did not die on the cross. He survived the cross and he was put in a cave for some days, treated with the ointment, and when he was cured to some extent, then he left that place and went for the search of the lost tribes of Israel. This is one of the proofs that, as Jews claim, that the person who dies on the cross has died a cursed death. And we refute their argument by saying that the Turin shroud is one of the proofs that he did not die on the cross. You are wrong. So you cannot say Christians believe in a person who died as an accursed death. No. He survived, he lived, he migrated to where other lost tribes of Israelites were living, and he preached there. He lived a long life for 120 years. And this is one of the proofs. So this is just to refute the allegation of Jews against Christianity and Jesus Christ. So we are helping you